Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls? The reason is actually quite simple. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your digestive system to start working, even if there's no food in it. This causes the muscles in your stomach and intestines to contract and move, mixing any remaining food, gas, and digestive juices. As these contents move around, they create the growling sounds we hear. These sounds can also occur when your stomach is empty because the movement is more noticeable. So, your stomach growls because it's preparing for food and keeping your digestive system active. Don't forget to subscribe and like.